Your order will be prepared to size, packed with care, and shipped to your address. Your order will be delivered as a complete package containing everything you need to lay your roof in the best possible way. The surface must be free of dust, dirt, grease, moisture, and sharp parts. Once this is done, unroll the moisture-repellent foil and unfold it over the roof. Then lay the insulation boards over the moisture-repellent foil. Cut the insulation boards to size where necessary. Attach the insulation boards to the roof. Then cut away the excess moisture repellent foil. Fold or roll out the EPDM roofing over the roof and spread the EPDM evenly over the edge. Whenever possible, we recommend allowing the EPDM to rest for an hour to neutralize the resulting tension. Fold the EPDM back a few centimeters at all edges. Roll back the EPDM roofing over the shortest side until halfway. To bond the EPDM to the roof surface, the T3700 substrate adhesive is used. Unscrew the lid from the can, pull out the plastic seal, and screw the lid back on the can. Make about 5 holes at the bottom of the can. You can then spread the adhesive evenly over the roof surface while pouring. The substrate glue is applied to the roof surface in strips. Apply the substrate glue single-sided to the roof except for the edges, keeping the edges clear of the glue by about 15 centimeters. Roll the EPDM roofing back over the bonded substrate and press it gently. Press or roll the EPDM roofing from the center outwards so that any air bubbles disappear and the EPDM roofing is properly embedded in the adhesive. Repeat the same process for the other half of the roof. Three options are available for gluing the roof edges. Option 1. EPDM Contact Adhesive T2000. Apply the adhesive in generous amounts to the eaves and part of the roof surface using a block brush or tar brush. Option 2. Spray Contact Adhesive T2700. Spray both the roof edge and part of the roof surface with a generous amount of adhesive. Option 3. Spray adhesive. Spray adhesive from a pressurized canister applied with a spray gun is mainly handy when processing large roofs. Fold back the EPDM roofing along the roof edges by at least 15 centimeters. Apply the adhesive with the spray gun to both the roof edges and the folded back EPDM roofing. Once the adhesive is no longer sticky to the touch, the EPDM roofing can be glued to the edges. Press the EPDM roofing down well with a tool such as the EPDM roller. Avoid leakage at the corners by folding them rather than cutting them. You can do this by folding the corner using the hospital corner technique. Then glue the corner flat to the roof edge using the T2000 or T2700 contact adhesive. To install a rainwater drain or roof penetration, determine the location of the drain or penetration and mark it with chalk. Then cut away the marked EPDM and fit the drain or penetration. thoroughly roll the whole area. The final step is sealing with T250 sealant. Seal the last 2 centimeters of the outer edge with EPDM T250 sealant. Finish the edge of the drain neatly by tucking away the sealant. The last step is to finish the roof edges with the roof trim. Pre-drill the screw holes to ensure smooth fitting of the roof trim. Apply a strip of EPDM T250 sealant kit to the underside of the trim. Place the profile on top of the EPDM roofing and then screw it in place. Fit the connecting pieces provided to ensure that the roof edge profiles cannot touch each other. These allow the material to expand and contract as temperatures fluctuate. Finally, fill the seams with EPDM 250 sealant and your roof is now waterproof.